Sending money from India to Turkey can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to choose a suitable method for transferring money. The most common methods are through banks, money transfer services, and online platforms. Banks offer a secure way to transfer money, but the process can be slow and involves high fees. Money transfer services like Western Union and MoneyGram are fast, but their fees can be high. Online platforms like PayPal and TransferWise offer a convenient and cost-effective way to transfer money. Next, you need to gather the necessary documents. You will need the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Turkey. If you are using a money transfer service, you will need to provide your identification proof and the recipient's identification proof. Once you have the necessary documents, you can initiate the transfer process. If you are using a bank, you need to visit your bank branch and fill out a transfer form. If you are using a money transfer service, you can visit their website or mobile app and follow the instructions. If you are using an online platform, you can log into your account and initiate the transfer. After initiating the transfer, you need to pay the transfer amount and the fees. The fees vary depending on the method you choose and the amount you transfer. You can pay using your bank account, credit card, or debit card. Once the transfer is initiated, the recipient can receive the money in their bank account or pick it up from a designated location. The transfer time varies depending on the method you choose, but most transfers are completed within a few days. To get the best exchange rate and avoid high fees, it is essential to compare the rates and fees of different transfer methods. You can use online tools to compare the rates and fees and choose the best option. In conclusion, sending money from India to Turkey is a simple process if you follow the right steps. Choose a suitable method, gather the necessary documents, initiate the transfer, pay the transfer amount and fees, and the recipient can receive the money. Always compare the rates and fees to get the best deal.